Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to set up custom page sizes using the Windows driver with your imagePROGRAF printer. From your Windows Printers and Faxes menu, select your imagePROGRAF printer. Right-click and select Printing Preferences. Here, go to the Page Setup tab and select Page Sizes. Here under Custom Page Size, select Custom Size. In this window, you can add a custom page size up to 125.98 inches. As you can see, it is changed here to 8.27 by 125 inches. If you need to add a custom page size that is larger than 125 inches, select Size Options. Here you can name your custom paper size and add the width and the height. Select Add, and you see your custom page size in the window. Select OK, and then when you go to use your custom page size, select Custom Paper Size, and you will see it in the list at the bottom. And that's how you set up your custom page size using the Windows driver. Thank you very much.